Hello guys, welcome to Programming Academic channel, and today we are going to create our final charts. So let's get to start to create our final chart and then to see how it looks our dashboards. So let's get to start. So now we are going to create our matrix. Okay, come to here guys, matrix. Make it a bit big. We're going to format guys. Go to okay. So come to here on the row, we're going to sales represented and transaction and value is total revenue. We're going to average revenue. Cool. So let's go to format here. Come to general, effects, turning on background, then turning on. Okay. Turn on. Okay, let's go to enter format painter because we want it the same color. Okay. So we'll go to go to visual value. First we say it bold and black color, background or background color, and alternative. Okay, just use our background color. Okay, we take the alternative and color. Let's use it black. Yes. Come to on header, bold color, black, text, same background color, and text in the center. Come to row, black and bold, background, same. Column, come to value, bold, color, black, background, same. Background, text color and background color, same. And we have our final bold, text, and same background color. Yes, now it's look perfect. And guys, we come here and then to come to here to make a little bit big, because I hope you big like this. I'm going to show you like this. Now come to here. So just to come to click here. Look guys. So now we go back over dashboard. Okay. So look guys, now our dashboard is already created and everything look perfect. And only we are going to create our slides here and then be our dashboard done. So guys, if you are new here, like and subscribe and to create like these dashboards. And it looks amazing. And you're going to create a better than this one. So bye for now and to see you on my next tutorial final project. Bye for now.